student. I am Veena Dikshit. Please like and subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. And this is very important compound we are discussing about. It is benzotriol and very important. So must come. This will come into the examination surely. 56 by 60 I have written. Okay. See, this is diaminobenzene. When react with NaNO2HCl 0 degree C, what is the product? This is MCQ question. They will give you many compounds, and you have to select. I am giving you how it is formed, then it will be very easy for you. This is when NaNO2HCl react with at 0 degree C, react with this compound, it will give you diazonium ion. One amino group will remain as such, and only one is formed diazonium ion, and at that moment this diazonium ion, this since it is having positive charge, so this electron pair moves to here. So now it is double bonded, and then positive charge is gone, and this nitrogen is carrying positive charge. Then internal nucleophilic addition takes place here. This nucleophile attack to this. Okay, and then we'll get this compound, and here nitrogen is again having positive charge, so cleavage of proton takes place, so H positive will be gone, so we will get fully fledged benzotriazole. Again I will repeat from here. First diazonium ion is obtained, and then rearrangement will take place, and this pi electron moves towards this nitrogen, so that nitrogen positive charge will be gone, and this nitrogen will carry positive charge because electron pair is shifted from here to here, so this is having positive charge. What will happen now? There will is bond between this lone pair of electron donated lone pair to nitrogen, so then there will be bond between them. Now this nitrogen is having positive charge, and since it is having replaceable H, so proton will be cleaved from here and will get neutral compound. This is neutral now, no charge in it, and this is heterocyclic. Now I have written here, this is fused heterocyclic compound, aromatic compound, because 10 pi electrons are there. This is known as benzotriazole. Here benzene ring and this triazole are fused together and giving you very important medicine, we can say, because medicinal uses are there. It cure this cancer, it cure TB, so we can say that it is antimicrobial, anti-cancerous, anti-inflammatory, anti-tubercular agent. Means it can remove, it can cure TB, as well as it can cure cancer, and as well as it is used as a corrosive inhibitor. What does it mean? Copper and its alloy cannot be tarnished if we will use this, so it will remove this, prevent tarnishing and corrosion of copper and its alloy. Thank you for watching. God bless you.